In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a project name in Wrike. This is a simple but very useful skill, especially when your project scope changes, you need a clearer title, or you just made a typo when you first created it. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Wrike and navigate to the area where your project is located. This might be in a particular space or folder, depending on how your workspace is organized. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct project, since renaming the wrong one can cause confusion for your team later. Once you've located the project you want to rename, move your mouse over its name. You should see an icon with 3 small dots, often called the More Options or Context menu. This icon is usually found to the right of the project name. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens a small menu with several options related to that project. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Rename. This is the command that tells Wrike you want to change the project's title. Click on Rename, and you'll see that the current project name becomes editable. The text will typically be highlighted, indicating that you can start typing right away. Now type in the new name you want for the project. Try to choose something clear and descriptive so that anyone on your team can understand what the project is about at a glance. You can fix spelling mistakes, adjust wording, or completely change the title depending on your needs. Take a second to double check the spelling and wording before you confirm it. When you're happy with the new name, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This step is important because it tells Wrike to save the new title. After you press Enter, the editable field will close and you should see the updated project name displayed in the list or panel. That's all there is to it. By clicking on the 3 dots, choosing Rename, typing your new title, and pressing Enter, you can quickly keep your workspace organized and up to date. If you ever need to adjust the name again, just repeat the same process.